how to cancel SHEIN order. So first, let's open up the app and we want to head over to the bottom right on the Me profile. Click on that. Now here we need to go to support or customer service. So we just need to click on customer service, which is located just right here on the middle screen. Now here there is a question and answer. So how do you cancel my order? So let's check. So generally unpaid or unshipped orders can be canceled. So you can only get a cancellation if it's unpaid or unshipped. So once you do that, just go to my orders and click on customer service. So here we could get, can I cancel my order? So in cases like this, so let's say we try to order a shirt from SHEIN, what would happen is it would show you the orders that you have acquired and you'll be provided with an invoice concerning your order. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.